You know, Santana, he's a Mexican. Better than nothing. Better than goddamn Sound Exchange.
Alright, John, what's your full rate on Sound Exchange?
It's better than nothing. I give it about a 2 out of motherfucking 10. I mean, Sound Exchange is Mexican. Better than nothing.
Fuck it. Sound Exchange is a piece of shit.
I give it nothing.